Welcome to Top Dog Web Design's videos. In this video, we would like to give you an overall look at our menuing system and some of the functionality of our AKC ScentWork trial website. Every club that decides to use our system, the first thing we do is build a website specifically for your club to use for your specific trials. In this case, AKC ScentWork. So at the top, this heading AKC ScentWork Club Trials Demo will be changed to your club name and will be available on the internet. And this is a function that we do free. You don't pay anything for the website or for us to maintain it. The first menu on the system is your administrative menu. It's only available when someone is logged in as an administrator. So in this, we have setup, we have entries, we have a move up section to manage move ups, check-ins for all trials, setting up your judging spreadsheets or printed sheets, anything to do with judging. And then we have results, ribbons for each of the trials. And then we have our reports, catalogs, results by judge email. This is where we email judges all their results, judge certification, and the AKC secretary report and fee transmittal. And then we can also set up premiums on this list. And then we have miscellaneous, where we have armbands, refunds, volunteer administration. We can export email addresses or export a mailing list. On the bottom menu, this is what the public sees. So they can always click on home wherever you are to get back to this menu, and they can go look at premiums for your club. They can file a move up or a change request. They can request a refund. They can request to be put on the wait list. They can volunteer. They can request a review of their results, and then they can see their results, and then they can also request a review of their results, and then they can also download the judging program. This pop-up right here, AKC ScentWork Trials Base, this is the pop-up that will show as soon as the entry is open. It's tied to the entry date and time for your trial, and it will disappear from the screen at the closing date and designated hour for entries to close. So we'll go through these now. Under the setup, some of these things are only available to us as the administrators of the website, but you will be able to go in and request a trial setup, where you'll put in all your information about an upcoming trial, and we will set the system up ready to take entries. You can also download the judge's instructions, and when you download it, it will open up in a PDF format where you can see the instructions, if you're using tablets, how to use them to record the judging for the trials. And we will go back and click on the home button, and we'll go back to the home screen. And this will take a second, and there it is. And you can also download a day of event procedures. This is basically a checklist for how you can run your trial, and it has all the information on how to do the various things for your trial. The next menu is entries, so we can get a count of all of our entries. We can access all entries from an administration perspective, where you can basically change anything you want. The public item is what the public sees when they go to add an entry. And then if you're doing mail-in entries, this is where you'll keep track of your mail-ins. And day of event is where you'll keep track of all your day of event entries. And here's withdrawn listings, and then we have a wait list, and that includes an admin view for administration and for the public, how they can enter the wait list. The last item is a participation that will give you a list of all the people who are entered, and show the specific trials that they are entered in. The next item is the move-ups. This is the move-up admin, and then we have the public. This is what the public would go enter if they were down here and wanted to enter a move-up. Keep in mind, this is the administrative menu. The public can't see this, but we want you as an admin to be able to easily see how people go in and request a move-up. Next is our check-in list, where we can get a list of, do a check-in for each trial. Next is the judging menu item, where we create spreadsheets for each trial. You can also import those spreadsheets after the judges have them filled out. And we can also create the judging program. We can download it, change the judging program from trial to trial, because you might use this same website for your next AKC similar trial. And then we have our judging times, and we have our manual judging forms that you would print. These are the AKC approved forms. Then under results, we can get results for all trials, or we can get results for each specific trial. And then we can also review any requests that have come in to have results reviewed. And you will get those. The public will be able to go to this item, review request, and submit a review. When they do so, you will receive an email that they are requesting a review and the specifics related to it. The next item is ribbons, where you can go and print ribbon labels for each one of your trials. And then we have reports, where you can do catalogs, both marked and unmarked catalogs. You'll be required to have an unmarked catalog available for the entrance at your trial. Then we can also do results by judge email, and this is where we can email each judge their results that they approved for the specific trial. And then we have our judges certification, our trial secretary report, and fee transmittal. And we have premium setup, where we can go in and set up premiums. The last item on this menu, miscellaneous, contains armbands, where you can print armbands, print an armband list, and actually change armband numbers if necessary. You can also administer the refunds and manage them, the volunteers. You can also export email addresses, and you can export an actual physical mailing address. Under the user menu, the public menu, once again, they can see premiums, they can apply for move-ups or changes, request a refund, they can get on the wait list if your club is offering a wait list, they can volunteer, they can see their results, and they can review a request a review of the results. And when the judging program is available, they'll be able to download it right off of the website. So this concludes a real short video about the basic menu functions and an overall look at our system. And we will be getting into more specific videos related to, first of all, the public, how they enter, and then how you can manage entries. Thanks for watching this video. We look forward to working with you. We also do one-on-one or one to your entire group of online demos. So give us a shout. We'd love to help you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.